Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Stable Diffusion online. So first, head over to Google and type in Stable Diffusion. Click on the Stable Diffusion online link, the official website of Stable Diffusion. Now, click on Login with your active Google account. Confirm and allow access. And after that, you will be directed to Stable Diffusion online creation page. So here, you can add your prompt to generate your image. Add your model base. So here, enhanced or base. Add your style. You want a design of photography, cinematic, realistic style, etc. And here add your image size. You want it for TikTok or for vertical content, etc. And when you're done, just click on draw. Can also generate a video here with Stable Diffusion as the same here. Add your prompt and add your quality and your video size. Or just when you're done, click on generate video. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.